Okay, so this is my first time doing this, so let's see how it works. Okay, so I guess today I'm just gonna like talk to you guys about the results of the joystick being hooked up to the Arduino. So yeah, let's get to it then. So first of all, we're gonna open the Arduino program. Okay, so as you guys know, I've pre-programmed the script, the sketch, and it's uploaded on GitHub. So let's just like verify for the sake of correctness, and it is all pretty much accurate. And then we're just gonna upload it onto our Arduino, and then it's gonna like blink and flash a little bit, and then yeah, we're gonna open the serial monitor, and we're just gonna look at the readings. So as you all know, the joystick has two potentiometers, and the Arduino reads values from 0 to 1023. So currently, at its rest state, the joystick is at the midpoint of the two extremities. So you can see in the screen x coordinate and y coordinates being it's at 519 or 518, which is the midpoint. So if I were to move my joystick this way, you'll notice how it starts to get to like 0, 0. Yeah, that's kind of like um, imagine you're looking at an inverted coordinate, like a Cartesian coordinate, and you're at the origin right now. The joystick is pointing towards the origin. And if I move my joystick to like the extreme y, you see that the y coordinate value is at its maximum, which is 1023. And if I move it down, it's at 0. And likewise, if I move the x coordinate, um, well, if I move the joystick to the left or the right, depending on the configuration, currently it's at 0, which is the lowest extremity. And then if you move it to the left, it's at 1023, which is the greatest value. So really, the movement of this joystick is then being, recorded by the potentiometer, and the Arduino just spits out values between 0 and 1023. So as you can see, I'm just basically playing around with it and spitting out weird values. And then like if you press on the Arduino, sorry, the joystick, you can see that the value changes to 0 because I initialize it as high, so it's 1 at first, and if I press on it, it's 0. So that's kind of how it is. Um, yeah, and then the application of this is pretty much interesting. You can use it to control, a servo motor, or even play like um, the LEDs of an 8x8 matrix, which is what I'm gonna be doing in the near future. So yeah, thanks for watching. This sounds weird, but yeah, see you guys in a bit.